Have you ever considered the delicate balance between individual freedom and collective safety? This question, perhaps more than any other, is at the heart of the ongoing debate about gun rights in the United States and around the world. The Second Amendment to the United States Constitution, as part of the Bill of Rights, was ratified in 1791, and states, "A well-regulated militia, being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms, shall not be infringed." This single sentence, composed of 27 words, has sparked centuries of debate and interpretation. Historically, the interpretation of the Second Amendment has swung like a pendulum between an individual right to bear arms and a collective right tied to service in a state militia. The Supreme Court, in the 2008 case of District of Columbia v. Heller, affirmed an individual's right to possess a firearm, unconnected with service in a militia, for traditionally lawful purposes, such as self-defense within the home. Now, let us turn our gaze beyond the borders of the United States. Many other countries have a different approach to gun rights and public safety. In Japan, for example, civilian gun ownership rates are among the lowest in the world, and they have stringent laws and regulations pertaining to firearms. Conversely, in Switzerland, a country famous for its high rates of gun ownership, comprehensive training and strict regulations ensure a low rate of gun-related crime. The United States, in contrast, has the highest rate of civilian gun ownership in the world. This has led to a unique set of challenges and debates around gun control and public safety. Recent debates have centered around issues such as background checks, assault weapon bans, and red flag laws, which allow temporary firearm confiscation from individuals deemed a risk to themselves or others. The impact of gun rights on society is profound. On one hand, advocates argue that the right to bear arms is a fundamental aspect of individual freedom, a deterrent against tyranny, and a means of self-defense. On the other hand, critics highlight the correlation between high rates of gun ownership and gun-related violence, arguing for greater regulation to protect public safety. So, we find ourselves at a crossroads, seeking to balance the constitutional right to bear arms with the imperative of public safety. As we've seen, this question is not unique to the United States, but it is perhaps most sharply defined here. In conclusion, the debate on gun rights and public safety is a complex one, steeped in history and cultural context. It's a question of balancing individual rights with collective safety, a question that demands careful thought, open dialogue, and a willingness to seek common ground. As we move forward, it is crucial to remember that the goal is not to eliminate one for the sake of the other, but to find a balance that respects the rights of individuals while protecting the safety of all. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.